This is the password reset and troubleshooting tutorial for administrators. We're going to look at how users set passwords, how you as an admin can set passwords, and go over a few common issues with password resets. The easiest way for users to set their password is to use their spam report. Users get this by default overnight every time they have spam in their quarantine. They just click on this link to get into the quarantine, and then it pulls you into the console. Once here, they can just go up, click on the Preferences tab, and then they'll have their options. They can click on the button to change their password and their security question. Don't forget there are security requirements for the password. Finally, they can choose their security question and click Apply. Now, if the user doesn't have a spam report, you can have the user log in directly from the console. Have them go to your console location, then have them click on the Forget Your Password or Need to Create a Password link. Now from here, they can enter in their email, and the password reset link will go directly to their email listed here. Now if they choose the domain contact option, you as an admin should already have set this to your off-domain email address, and that can come to you. But for now, have the user click on the first option and have them click Next. They'll get an email in their inbox that they can open, and once they click on the link, it'll pull them into the console and they'll be able to set their password. And of course, they have the same security requirements for the password. And they click Sign In. Next step is the console is going to ask them for a security question, and they can set it to whatever they like here. And once they put their answer in, they just click OK, and that's it. They're good to go. Next up, we're going to show you how to change passwords for users as an admin. Now make sure the account you're logging in with is a customer admin level access. Anything higher and you won't be able to change the user's passwords. Let's go ahead and sign in. Go ahead and click on the Account Management tab and then the Users tab underneath. Now, for existing users, all you have to do to change a password is double-click on the user account, and then click on, in the password section, click on the Change button, and you can change the passwords here. Enter it in twice, keeping in mind the security requirements, and then apply. Simple as that. Another way to manually set a password is when you add an account. You can go in here, enter the user email account, then come down to the password section and click Save. And that user account will be set with the password you put in there. The final way to update passwords for users quickly is the Batch Edit tool. Basically, you click here on the Edit button, go to Batch Edit, and from here you can upload a file with the target users, that's the primary email addresses, and the passwords. Now that's going to be a separate tutorial. See the links below for that. But basically, once your file is ready to go, you can see the help here for specific formats. When your file is ready, you click Browse, and here's our file. And let's upload it. Okay, so we have our primary email addresses listed here, the passwords that we chose, and just click Save. And there you go. All the user accounts have been updated quickly. Great time saver. Now let's talk about troubleshooting. If you don't get the password reset email, there's two common reasons that could be. Number one, the user is not created in the console. You'll need to have an account in there to be able to receive the password reset email for that account. If this is the case, go ahead and create the user and try the password reset email again. The next one is likely that the mail delivery location is not set or the mail server is not accepting mail. For example, if your mail server is down, you may see this error. In this case, you can send the password reset email to your domain contact email. This should go to the off-domain admin email address. Now, if the user is getting prompted for their security question before they enter the password and they don't remember it, you as an admin can go in and set their password for them. Then, once they log into the console, they'll be able to go in and change their password and security question. This has been the password reset tutorial for administrators. If you need more help, see the online help button on each page or contact the support team.